My name's Andy Moore and we live at Wothorpe, which is just on the edge of Stamford in Lincolnshire. Well, obviously there's a lot of glass in this room and when it's warmer outside it gets very warm inside. So we wanted something that didn't take away the light element but gave us a little bit of shade. We looked at blinds, but really we didn't want blinds. And when we came across the sails we decided they were the sort of thing that would suit us. We saw them advertised in a local magazine actually. It gave us the idea of the sails, so we contacted them to give us a quote. They came out and measured up and gave us a lot of information about the sails. We got another price from a local supplier as well, just as a comparison, but 5-day blinds were very competitive. The service was good, the product was good, so we decided to go with them. So Richard, the chap that came out to measure up, was very thorough, very competent, took all the dimensions he needed to, and we didn't have to do anything really. It was just a case of deciding fabric colours and how it was going to look in terms of the fixing points. Gave us some advice about the fixing points as well. So yeah, it was a good service. We were very impressed with 5-day blinds. They were prompt, efficient, very helpful, did a good job, knew what they were doing, and yeah, we would recommend them as a fitter of the sails.